welcome back to my channel today. So today we are going to be diving into my BeautyFix by dermstore box. If you guys recently watched my video for the new year, I put this box as one of my best skincare subscription boxes out there. I went through the entire 2023 year, received all 12 boxes from this company, and then compared at the end of the year what I received for brands, the products, the sizes, whether or not dermstore was on time with shipping, just all sorts of factors. And every time this box came back being so amazing, so consistent, worth the money that was spent on it. So it is one of my favorite subscription boxes right now. And I have with me the January 2024 box. So we're gonna go ahead and dive in and check it out, and let's hope we have another great year. If you guys are interested in purchasing this subscription, you will receive the January box if you order in the month of January. But of course, I will have a link listed down below for you. I've also got a discount code. One thing that is really awesome about this code is it will save you 15% off of your total purchase. So if you buy this box at a 3-month subscription or longer, they will waive the shipping fee and give you free shipping. Plus, you can take 15% off of the entire 3-month plan or 6-month or 12-month, whatever that may be. So it is a much better deal, in my opinion, to purchase the 3-month plan or higher versus paying for this box on a monthly basis, because then you'll get a larger discount, you get the free shipping on there, so you just get a much better deal. When I do the 3-month plan, it works out to be about $20 a box. So I've got you covered with the link and the code, but a lot of times I will get comments from my subscribers that say, hey, I can't find the 3-month button, where is it at? So after you click on my link, there is going to be a box that will show you the monthly plans, and it should say like 1 month, 6 month, and 12 months. And then right above that, it will say pay up front or pay monthly. And you want to click on the word that says pay up front. That will change the plans and the prices, and it will now give you a 3-month option. But if you don't click pay up front, it will not give you that option. So make sure you click on those words. Okay, enough explaining. I wanted to make sure you guys understood all of that. Let's go ahead and open up our box. So here's your first sneak peek of the January box. First item that I have in here is from Skin Gym. We have a gold foil eye mask. So there's one pair of eye masks in here. They're the red carpet VIP masks. Is that because they're gold? Or do they actually do something different? Like, what makes these so VIP? It says the sparkle never stops with the gold foil eye masks. They're made with invigorating ingredients to help you say goodbye to dark under eyes and bring out your brightest look. They have hyaluronic acid in it and the bakuchiol, that's that plant-based retinol. It's a retinol alternative because sometimes retinol is too intense for some people or too strong, so this is an alternative to that. But it states that this is going to help with fine lines and wrinkles. It's also going to brighten that under eye area and give you hydration as well. So they must be referring to just the sparkle of the cold with the VIP status. The next item that I have is from Oribe, and this is, I think, a product, but they do have a bag here that says that it's compostable certified. It's a zero waste product. So that is kind of unique, that the bag itself is made up of rice, which is really cool. So inside we do have a product, and it looks like it's just travel size, but this is their Serene Scalp Exfoliating Scrub. It's 0.5 ounces. So this will help to get rid of any of those dry skin flakes that you might have on your scalp, which happens in winter time. It's dry, your skin will dry out on top, and then you get flakes. But they also don't want you to put this on if you're sunburnt at all, because that might be a little bit painful. Luckily, I don't have to worry about being sunburnt in the middle of winter right now, but just in case if you are in an area with lots of sun, keep that in mind. I'm also a little bit jealous of you. We also have First Aid Beauty in here, and this is their Ultra Repair Cream. This is an intense hydrating moisturizer. This product It does a really great job. If you have really dry skin, this is what my husband uses, and he has very dry skin. Like, him and I are totally different when it comes to our skincare routines. But he will use this product, and I'm not kidding. He'll have redness on his face from being too dry, or maybe he'll get like wind burnt. You know when it's super windy and it will actually burn your skin a bit? His will be red. He'll put this on, and within a few hours, the redness is subsiding. So it works really quickly. It's a very great hydrator. So if you have very dry skin, I definitely recommend this moisturizer for that. These are feeling a bit small. Usually with BeautyFix, we get a mixture of full size and travel sized items. So I'm hoping we do get that same process this year. That's how it was at least last year. We have the Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer from Peter Thomas Roth. This is, again, another great moisturizer. If you've not used it before, I do recommend it. It is water-based, so it won't clog your pores, but it is only 7.5 ml of product again. I'm definitely getting the hydrating theme, though, for January. Next up, I have from Grown Alchemist. This is their Detox Serum, and it is 30 ml or 1 ounce. Now, this might be full size. It's new in the box. I'm inclined to think this is a full-size product. It is 100% natural, cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free. It's also certified organic. It is an oil-free, lightweight gel that will absorb into your skin, giving you a luminous glow. It's also going to help to restore your skin's texture, so it will be smoother and radiant and healthy after using this product. I'll go ahead and take it out of the box here, that way we can look at it, but I feel like this is a full-size product that we have here. It does come with a pump up at the top, and then it is a glass jar down below. As far as I can tell, we only have one item left, and this is definitely not full size. So I think that's our only full-size product for January, which I'm really surprised by, because I'm not kidding. I think for the entire year of 2023, I had 2 to 3 full-size products in each box. So this is very unusual. And especially after I just hyped this baby up, like, way to let me down. So our last item that we have is from PCA Skin. It's their rebalancing product. It is definitely just a sample. I mean, it is such a tiny little pot. It says 7 grams or 0.25 ounces. I mean, we couldn't even get an ounce. It's 1/4 of an ounce. I do think PCA Skin is a really great brand. I'm more so just shocked at how little there is in this box. It's also surprising to me because in December, we had 8 or 9 items. I think there were 9 items in that box, and this one has 6. So again, it's less in the amount of items, but also less in the amount of product that we're receiving. So I'm looking it up real quick here on my iPad just to double check that I have everything, because it seems so incredibly odd. Like, I feel like I'm missing something in my box. So yes, this is all of the products for January. I can confirm that the Grown Alchemist is a full-size product, but everything else is considered deluxe sizes, and we are only receiving these 6 products inside. Now, they do state that every box is guaranteed to have $100 worth of value in it, so apparently these 6 products add up to $100, but wow, I don't know. This box is shocking to me because they've never had a box this light before. So that is everything inside of the January box for BeautyFix. I do feel like for the $20 that I spent on this, because again, it was only $20, there's free shipping, I feel like I definitely got my money's worth. It's more so just shocking because this is not like them. This is not the norm at all for this box. And I'm hoping I hope it goes back to the way it was. I'm hoping we get more full size because I really enjoy this subscription. So I'm just gonna say this is an off month. We're just gonna leave it at that. And I'm okay with having an off month here or there. So this one's unusual, but I'm hoping they get it back on track. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!